Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need two things: visible section breaks and access to the header/footer. First, turn on Show /Hide so you see section break, next page. Once visible, double-click the header on the page where numbers repeat and click Link to Previous to disable it. Make sure the header/footer shows the correct section label. This first unlink prevents numbering inheritance. After unlinking, you're ready to control page numbers independently without affecting earlier sections. Now control the actual numbers. With the header/footer active, choose Insert Page Number Format Page Numbers. Once the dialog opens, select Start At and enter the correct starting number for that section. Do not leave it on Continue from Previous. This overrides inherited counts. Make sure you insert the page number only in the section that you previously unlinked. Once set, preview by scrolling through pages to confirm continuity, where intended, and change other sections the same way if needed. Finish by updating fields and checking consistency. Press Ctrl plus then F9 to refresh all page number fields. Once done, scroll through the document. If numbers still repeat, return to each affected section and verify there is a real section break, and that link to previous is turned off. Sometimes an extra continuous break or lingering link causes repetition. Make sure headers/footers aren't set to show different first page unless intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.